Samsung is expected to release the Galaxy Default 5 and Z Flip 5 in the upcoming summer as the successor to one of the finest foldable phones on the market. But it appears that Samsung's forthcoming Z Flip 5 is generating more excitement than the Z Fold 5. Reportedly, the company is working on introducing more innovative features that might shake up the market. Although, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 was well received when it was released last year, but it is lacking in a few areas. Particularly, its battery life and camera quality left something to be desired. Fortunately, rumors indicate that Samsung will add much-needed enhancements to the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Although there haven't been any explicit indications about the display of the Z Flip 5, it's reasonable to expect that it will maintain the same fundamental configuration as its predecessors. This entails a folding form factor, where the device unfolds to uncover a bigger 6.7 inches display. According to Ross Young, Samsung is planning to launch a new hinge design this year that aims to minimize the appearance of the display increase. This new design, called the water drop display, may incorporate a feature where a part of the interior screen can retract into the phone, thus preventing creasing. Additionally, the phone is expected to be constructed using lighter materials. Plenty of rumors point towards the Galaxy Z Flip 5 might get a larger external display. That feature had originally been rumored for the Z Flip 4, but upon release, it had the same 1.9 inches display as its predecessor. Therefore, if this remote feature of a larger display is included in the upcoming device, it would be a highly appreciated improvement. According to Ice Universe, a well-known leaker in the tech industry, the external display on the upcoming Oppo Find N2 Flip may be larger than the initially rumored 3.6 inches, although they later revised this to a smaller size of 3.4 inches. They also speculated the display could have a roughly square shape and possibly covered the phone's camera module. Also, Sam Mobile recently released its own version of renders for the Z Flip 5, which features a bigger cover display of around 3 to 4 inches. That occupies most of the device's top half. Unlike Ice Universe's renders, Sam Mobile design seems to have some blank space on the cover display, leading us to believe that the camera module could potentially be placed there. Moreover, a rendered video from Technical Concept and leaker Super Rotor potentially gives us our first look at what the Galaxy Z Flip 5 might look like. There is currently no information available regarding the camera specifications of the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 5. However, it's expected that there will be a substantial improvement in the camera technology compared to his predecessor, the Z Flip 4. The cameras on the Z Flip 4 were only slightly better than those on the Z Flip 3, and while they were not necessarily bad, there is certainly significant room for enhancement. There is a pretty good chance that the Galaxy Z Flip 5 might come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy. The launch of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is expected to take place later this year, but it's likely to happen after the release of the Z Flip 5. Therefore, it's not surprising that we will not find this chip in the new foldable device. Another thing Samsung needs to make sure of is a significant improvement in battery life. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is shaping up to be an exciting addition to the foldable phone market. With the potential for a larger external display, a new ward-drop hinge design, and improved camera technology, it has a lot to offer to consumers. While details about the device are still speculative, it will be interesting to see what Samsung ultimately delivers with the Z Flip 5. That is all for today regarding Z Flip 5, and thank you for watching the video. If you found this video useful, please like and share it with your friends. Leave a comment given down in the empty box if you have any thoughts regarding Z Flip 5. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this in your feed.